there's a spider.
It's got ants.
What do we do for ants?
Put Amdro or some kind of ground cover. Don't spray nothing.
Okay, I have that.
All around this area.
The granule kind?
Yeah, the granule.
Okay, we can get that done.
You got a... Man, I ain't got nothing going, don't sound like.
Not in there.
On the bottom one?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
There they are.
And you got ants bad down this bottom one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to have to get something to get them ants out of here. Somewhere I've got an article at the house to mix some stuff up to around this sugar water over here you're feeding them.
Did you smoke them?
No, smoke. I don't think you got enough here to smoke. Don't sound like her. Very upset. This one's got some honey on it. A lot of comb. See, I don't see an egg one in that. Nothing.
They were a lot more active than they were on Tuesday.
Yeah. Probably because all of them's in the hive right now because this rain drove them in.
Okay. And probably the sugar water, because we just put that in Wednesday morning.
Oh, you put the sugar water in too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Luke, you should have your hat on.
It's hot. It's making me sweat very much.
But I'd rather you sweat than get stung on your face.
I wouldn't.
I don't think you're going to get stung, but you never can tell.
See the hat on. I'll tell you that.
No eggs?
Yeah. I'm looking for a queen is what I'm looking for, but I don't see one. See how they've eat this side up? They're eating that honey because they haven't been out foraging. Not a good sign.
So how do we recover this hive so it produces well?
How do you what?
How do we help it to produce well?
How do you help it produce well? It's got to have a queen to help it produce well. And you got to go in and at least every 2 weeks and look to see if you got eggs laid. And you don't have to see the queen as long as you see eggs. But if you don't see no eggs, you better start looking for a queen. If you don't have a queen, you're going to have to get one.
The hive beetles.
Kill him. Kill him. With your finger.
Just squeeze them.
Just like that. Get you, when you go to the grocery store,
Uh-huh.
get you a, one of those little round roach bait things with small openings in them that the bees can't get into. and stick it around on the hive, the outside of the hive, bottom of the hive, and around that underneath of it. And those beetles love them, and they'll go in there and they'll die.
Okay.
Like roaches. That's what that guy at that meeting told us the other night, remember? Or did you hear him?
Yeah. So is that not this meeting, but the one before that?
That one that's got so many hives, his daddy's got so many hives.
Oh,
in
okay.
Vermont, told me that.
What's that?
Well, it looked like they was trying to build a queen hive, but I don't see. They might have had a queen come out.
Is the queen really distinct? I mean, fairly easy to see once
Yeah,
you've
she's
spotted.
so much bigger. She's very distinct.
Okay.
See how much bigger this one is right here? She'll be even bigger than that.
That's a drone.
That's a drone there. But she'll be bigger than that drone. And once she starts laying, she'll really get an extended, her abdomen will be really extended and long.
Yeah, there are some hive beetles on that one.
You see them?
Yeah.
Well, smash them.
We'll look in there.
With your finger, smash them.
Come on, Luke.
What's the bare finger?
Yeah, just a little beetle. It makes a crunch.
The beetle ain't gonna bite you. See? It's going in there.
Ah, standing in ants. Hey.
Any luck?
Well, they're doing better. I mean, they're busier and more active with the sugar water, but we've got to put Amdro around the bottom. We've got some ants.
No.
And we need some the
There's
little
eggs,
roach
fresh
bait
eggs
to
there.
put
You can
around
see through
to
the
get the
cell,
hive
see the
beetles
eggs.
out.
Did they find queen?
It'll be fresh.
No queen,
This
no
is all
eggs
old
yet.
hive here.
What is
I'm
that?
looking at the bees. I'm looking for a queen. But I don't see one. That's the reason I'm taking my time. Because she's usually running. If no more bees than you got, if she's here, she'll be in the center of a group of them and they'll all be facing inward looking at her. Most of the time, unless she's running real bad. You see how these are clustered up here? That's why they do around a queen, but there's no queen there that I can see.
How's the sugar water doing?
Good.
It's still got some in it?
Mm-hmm.
Without even drinking it?
That's probably helpful. That's why they're more active. And then they all came in because of the rain.
Yeah, how bad did it rain here?
It poured for just briefly, though.
We drove through a whole bunch of pouring rain. There's hardly anything there.
I see this is new hive that they've built over here. This would be someplace you can see eggs real good in this new stuff. And be transparent. And she had just laid it and it'd be transparent and you could see through it and you could see the eggs. You see that bee there? It's not putting honey in, it's eating honey. Because of the smoke. Once they hear the smell of that smoke, they start taking the honey and eating it, storing it. Once they calm back down, they might put it back. Hmm?
That one?
Where? Yeah.
So no queen.
What
Big
about that
bumblebee
one?
there. The big bumblebee right there.
Oh, that's the drone. That one right there, that black one?
No.
That's the drone?
Let me go inside.
Okay.
I did a lot of walking.
bunch of bees on the side of the hive down in here. Some on the bottom down in there. Sometimes the queen will run like that and hide. But I don't see one.
So how do we get a queen?
You buy one.
But is it possible this time of year?
I don't know.
Is it important to keep those in order? The trays?
See, this is new honey here. You should be able to see eggs laid in that. There's none there.
I got one.
You got it? Get your back on.
Can I see that thingy?
You see a fly? Beetles?
Spider.
Spider?